How to see Facebook story without them knowing without any app. So here is how to do it without logging into sketchy tools. These methods are simple, safe, and don't violate Facebook rules. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. The very foremost way is to use second anonymous account. Create a secondary Facebook account with a fake profile or nickname and add or follow the person. If their story is public or shared with friends of friends, you will be able to see it from this account. They will see the second account name instead of your real one, which is 100% reliable. They will know someone saw it, just not that it's you. Now, the second method is half swipe trick on mobile. You cannot use this trick on web browsers, just know that you can use it on the mobile app. Tap on the story before or after the one you want to see, and once you tap on it, slowly half swipe to peek at the next story. Don't release your finger, swipe back quickly, don't fully open it. Risky. If you lift your finger or go too far, the view may be recorded. So that is it. It is not possible via desktop, so make sure you don't do it on desktop. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.